Hey everyone, welcome back to GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials, and I'm back again with a brand new video where I'm going to start a new series. In today's video, I will be discussing one of the most popular paid SEO tool, that is Ahrefs, and how you can use its different tools. Today's video is going to be about a brief introduction of the Ahrefs tool and how is it different from other paid and free SEO tools when it is about keyword research. So in today's video, I will be only discussing the Keyword Explorer tool of Ahrefs and what additional features do you get in its paid version, so that you can easily compare it with other keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, and so on. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So here I have logged into ahrefs.com, and that's the dashboard that you can see. Now here at the top you will see a few tools like Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, Content Explorer, and there are a few more tools in this more section, the drop down. Alright, so you can even check that out. Now in this video we will be talking about one of the popular Ahrefs tool, that is Keywords Explorer, and how it can be helpful for you. So let's click on that. Now here that is the Keyword Explorer tool, and here you can enter one or two keywords to get more information about them, and you can use a mix of keywords like short tail, long tail, or mid tail keywords. Alright, so let's enter one keyword that I'm going to research today. So let's enter one easy keyword, make money online, that you all are aware of, and then you have to select the search engine for which you want to do the keyword research. So you can go for Google, you can go for YouTube. If you are making a video related to this keyword, you can select YouTube, Amazon, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and you can find a few more search engines right here. So first of all, just enter the keyword and select the search engine for which you want to rank, and then you have to select the country that you are targeting, or maybe the country from where your target audience is. Alright, so that's you have to select, and then you have to click on search icon. So as you can see, the tool has extracted a lot of information related to the keyword that you just entered, and here is the overview of everything. Alright, on this page you will get the overview of the keyword research, the keyword you have entered, for that you will get an overview. And the first thing that we are going to discuss is this keyword difficulty that is currently showing for this particular keyword as super hard. Alright, but this doesn't mean that this keyword is difficult to rank for your website if it is showing super hard. The reason is you need to know how Ahrefs is able to decide that this particular keyword is hard or super hard or easy to rank for. There are a lot of factors that Ahrefs considers, and then it marks the difficulty of the keyword. Alright, so you should not conclude anything on the basis of keyword difficulty. So if it is showing super hard, it doesn't mean that your website cannot rank for this particular keyword. So what actually Ahrefs does is it searches for the keyword that you have entered in Google. Alright, and then whatever the top 10 results are, it analyzes all those top 10 results, and then it compares the top websites, their backlink profile, and then it marks the keyword as hard, easy, or super hard. Alright, so even if you will go to this question mark, it shows that keyword difficulty gives an estimation of how hard is it to rank in the top 10 organic search results for a keyword on a 100-point scale. Alright, so it is just giving you an estimation, and if you will look here, they have given you another estimation that we estimate that you will need backlinks from this much websites to rank in the top 10 for this keyword. So they are just giving you an estimate after analyzing everything, the top 10 pages, how much backlinks have they built, and so on. Alright, so this is on that basis. Now the next thing is the search volume. which is currently showing as 49K for this keyword, and this is the number of average monthly searches for the keyword that you have entered. Alright, here you can see the average monthly clicks received on the search results and the cost per click for that keyword and the clicks per search. Alright, so this is the number of clicks. It means the average monthly number of clicks on the search results that people make while searching for the target keyword. Alright, and the clicks per search is, this is the ratio of clicks to keyword search volume. Alright, so this is the number of clicks and the keyword search volume, and that is the ratio. And if you want to run an ad for this particular keyword, you will have to pay this much CPC that is currently shown here. Alright, $1.90. So that is what the search volume section is about. And let's move on. That is the traffic potential of this keyword. So this particular keyword can attract this much organic traffic. Alright, and this is the sum of organic traffic that the ranking page for your target keyword receives from all the keywords that it ranks for. So the page that is showing at the top for this keyword, that particular page is getting this much traffic for all the keywords that it is ranking for. Alright, if that makes any sense for you. So that is the traffic potential of this keyword for the number one page that is currently ranking, alright, on Google. And that is the top ranking result. This is the website, or this is the page that is currently ranking at the top for the keyword that you have entered. So you can check that out as well. And that is the parent topic. So every keyword has a parent topic. So if I have entered make money online, that is the parent keyword for this particular topic, and here it is also given its volume, that is 83K. Alright, so parent topic, what does it do? That it determines if you can rank for your target keyword while targeting a more general topic on your page instead. Alright, that's what parent topic does. And after that, you can even check out the global volume for this particular keyword on the countries that you are targeting. If you are targeting United States, or if you are targeting any other country, so you can even check the global volume. Alright, so this global volume shows how many times per month on average people search for the target keyword across all countries, not only a single country but for all countries. After checking the global volume for different countries, you can check for so many countries, alright, and get an idea about that as well. You can move on further in the overview section. You can even get some information about keyword ideas, the matching terms that you can choose related to your keyword, the questions that are most popular, and your keyword is a part of those questions, as you can see. And the page that are ranking for your keyword are also ranking for these keywords. Alright, so this list of keyword ideas shows you all keywords that the top 10 ranking pages for your target keyword also rank for. Alright, so if the particular page that you saw here, the top ranking page, is also ranking for these keywords, so you can even consider these keywords in your website, for your website. Alright, so that's what the keyword idea section is about, and you can even go in detail. On the left you will see this section, keyword ideas, where you can go and read about it in detail, and we will do that later on. So yeah, moving on, this shows the position history for the top 10 ranking pages. Alright, they are showing the position and how much has it changed for the last 6 months. Alright, so that is an important thing that you can analyze. These are the top 10 top 10 pages that are ranking at the top for this keyword that you have entered, and their position history. Alright, moving on, you can even check out the ads position history if you are planning to run any ads, and so on. And then one more important thing is this section, that is SERP overview for make money online. So this shows the search engine result page overview for this keyword. Alright, and here you can see what is showing at the top and what is the format of this SERP, and this also includes People also ask section, the websites that are ranking, top stories, it also has. Alright, so this can also give you a very clear idea that how you need to work on that particular keyword and what other websites are doing, how many backlinks have they created, what traffic are they getting. Alright, so this is the top ranking result for your keyword, the keyword that I entered, and that is the AR, the Ahrefs rank, the domain rating and the URL rating. Alright, so these all factors you can check out for other websites so that you can get an idea, and then you can check their backlinks as well, the traffic they are getting, and so on. So you should not miss this section. This is a very important section, and you can even check the top keyword for this particular page, their volume. Alright, so that's how you can conclude how you should work on that particular keyword. So these are the top 10 ranking results. Let's go back to the top, and here on the left, now if you will go to keyword ideas, you will see three things: matching terms, related terms, and search suggestions. So matching terms are the keyword you have entered. So if you want to check out the terms that are matching to your particular keyword, so these are the matching terms. As you can see, there are a lot of them, and their keyword difficulty is also mentioned, their volume, and every other thing, the CPC. Alright, this is the SERP features. You can check out the overview from here. Alright, so these are the matching terms. Now if you want to just know about the exact phrase that you have entered, you can simply select the phrase match. So it means that it will exclude all other matches and it will only show you the exact match of your phrase. So as you can see, this has filtered out the keywords. If you will go back on terms match, there were approx 31,000 keywords, and if you will go to phrase match, it will only show you the exact keyword that has your phrase in it. So as you can see, it has reduced the keywords to 15,000 and something. So you can just check out their keyword difficulty and their volume, and you can see how you need to proceed with this particular keyword. That's what this matching terms section do. You can go in detail and check out all the links. Alright, the next important thing that you can do to analyze your keyword in a better way is you can use these filters right here at the top. The more filters you will use, the better idea you will get. Alright, so it depends on you which filter you want to use. For example, you can even set the keyword difficulty that you want to prefer. Alright, you can set the minimum keyword difficulty and maximum that you can work on or that you can go with. Alright, no need to go for the keyword difficulty the Ahrefs has shown to you. You can even select your own minimum and maximum. So let's do it. Let's say minimum you want to accept is 20 is fine for you, and the maximum is 40. So you can set this keyword difficulty, click on apply, and you can simply analyze those keywords or those matching terms or matching phrases that are under this keyword difficulty and how much volume are they getting. Alright, how much CPC you need to pay, and so on. So these are the filters that you can use for that matter, and the more filter you will use, I already said, the more better research you can do. The next thing you can consider is the related terms section on the left, and this will show you a few more related terms that are related to your keywords. Again, their keyword difficulty and volume and the parent topic if you want to check that out. Alright, and again here you can use make the best use of the filters. You can select the traffic potential, the word count, and so on. You can even check out this. It is currently showing for the top 10. You can check it out for top 100. Also talk about. So these are the things people are also talking about that is related to your keyword, and or you can see all of them, the mix of also rank for and also talk about. Alright, so that's how you can conduct your keyword research using Ahrefs. And if we go back to matching terms, I missed one thing, I guess. Yeah, so I missed this questions thing. If you just want to see the questions that you can add to your content or the article that you are going to write, so this will show you all the keywords in the questions form only. Alright, so these are the keywords matching to your keyword that are in the question form that you can use and add to your research. Alright, if you will notice, only the question form has been given. Alright, so that's how you can use these filters at the top and you can make the best use of them to conduct your keyword research in a better way. Now if you will go to search suggestions, you will see a few more keywords, like 332 keywords are more there, and these are some search suggestions. All right, and again you can check there. These might be similar to the ones that you were already checking, but still they are suggestion, like you can add them in addition to the main keyword that you have searched for. You can even use these depending on their keyword difficulty and the volume they are giving. All right, so these are all factors you need to consider. And then the next section talks about the traffic share by domains and by pages. So it will show how much traffic the domains that are ranking at the top are getting, or the pages at the top are getting. All right, so if you will go by domains, this will show the domain name and how much traffic share is it getting for this particular keyword. It's at the number 1 position, and as you can see, I'm getting 45% share of the traffic, of the entire traffic. All right, so that's you can check out by domain. And if you will click on this, again you can check out the overview of this particular domain, how many backlinks they have created, and what are the organic keywords, everything about it, domain rating, and so on. All right, and if you will go by pages, you can check that out, the traffic share by page. So this is the page that is ranking of the same website. All right, and that is that share they are getting. So that these are some important things that you can check out by using the Ahrefs Keyword Explorer. That was all for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you found this video helpful, and I will be back soon with a new topic for this series. Till then, you can check out my other videos, and do let me know if you have any suggestions regarding any of my videos. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.